Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today, but I got a serious update that everybody that's been rocking my channel, that been supporting my channel, need to know. You know, through the years, I always give you an update when things are happening with different banks, different scams. People are trying to be slick to what? Drain out your bank account. Take your money, steal your money. Wake up the next morning and your account says zero. Why? Because maybe the day before you got an alert, you got a text saying, hey, this is Wells Fargo. You end up hitting a link. Now these scammers have your information. Please, people, do not hit no link. I don't care if you see your phone and it says a call from Wells Fargo. Do not be tricked. Now, instead of me running my mouth, let's see what happened to this gentleman based out of Tampa, Florida, and what happened to him.
Asked if Harmon charged $2,800 at a Best Buy in San Francisco.
When I replied no, a couple minutes later, I got a call from Wells Fargo.
The person on the call read him a list of his recent banking transactions, including his mortgage payment.
They called off 3 or 4 transactions. Boom, boom, boom. And they were legitimate transactions that I had done.
They then warned that several outgoing wire transferred were scheduled to be sent from his bank account to people he didn't know.
I'm thinking to myself, you know, I'm talking to the people from Wells Fargo.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how sure were you that it was Wells Fargo?
At that moment, I was 100% sure it was them.
But it turns out it wasn't his bank.
Anybody is susceptible to a particular type of scam at any time.
Roger Grimes works for cybersecurity company KnowBe4, which educates customers about phishing, ransomware, and social engineering.
Anybody can fake any phone number.
Grimes says by mimicking a customer's phone number and entering a few pieces of information available on the dark web, like social security numbers and dates of birth, scammers can use phone-based banking systems to learn account balances and recent transactions.
The more information they can give you about you, you start to feel confident, oh, it really must be this person.
Harmon says the caller told him that someone who worked for Wells Fargo was trying to transfer and steal his money, so they needed his help.
They said, well, we're going to need you to come down to the bank tomorrow, close your account, open up a new account.
At that moment, they believe that they're in a crisis that needs this urgent action or they're going to lose their retirement.
Harmon told the caller he would go to a South Tampa Wells Fargo branch the next morning. The scammer called as he arrived at the bank, telling him to withdraw $15,000 in cash, inform the teller he needed it for a renovation, and bring the money to the parking lot.
Then they said, we need you to keep your phone on while you're going into the bank so we can hear everything that's said. That was the biggest red flag.
Harmon realized something wasn't right as he approached the teller.
She handed me a withdrawal slip. She said, I need you to fill that out. I turned the withdrawal slip over, wrote on it, I think I'm being scammed. I handed it to her.
She got the manager, who told Harmon to hang up. Harmon said the manager told him about another customer who lost $10,000 days earlier in a similar scam.
These cash bag scams where people go to the bank, get the cash, hand it or mail it to somebody, I've never heard of any of that being retrieved. It's gone forever.
Grimes says he was recently questioned at his own bank when he made a large withdrawal.
The bank manager came up to him and said, I'm sorry, I just want to make sure you're not being scammed. We stop 2 to 3 a day. So imagine that one bank branch is stopping 2 to 3 of these, what I call cash.
So you heard his story. You see how easy that people could get into your information and withdraw money from your account, from your card, real easy by you just hitting a link. So again, people, I want you to be aware of things like this happen. The cash bag trick is out there. It's happening a lot. And I don't want you to be a victim, and I don't want you to wake up one morning and your account is totally empty. For what way? Do not be tricked. If anybody call you from Wells Fargo, because you might get the call and might say Wells Fargo, but these scammers have a lot of ways to try to trick people, man. And I don't want this to happen to you. I want to see everybody win, man. I brought this video so you could be aware of these different things that's happening right now, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.